Hello everyone, I'm Omram. Today I'm gonna show you how to put a controller in your recording or stream. Anyways, let's just jump into it. Guys, first what you'll need to do is write, gamepadviewer.com. Yep, as easy as that. Just refresh it. Yep, you should connect your controller and then go to generate URL, player 1, choose a skin. Actually, I use the Xbox One white, but you might not like it. So PlayStation 4 white is like the most popular one, so you just use it. Then stick curving, I love it actually to curve, and that's it. Just click on the link, it's copied. Yeah guys, now I'm on OBS, actually Streamlabs OBS. What you'll need to do is just add new, browser source, add source, create new, add source. The other option won't be for you, like you'll need to create new. Control V, and that's it. Oh, it says it's disconnected. What you'll need to do is just open the controller, just like that. Wait for it just to open. Yeah, look at this. This is an Xbox controller. It even works with the PS4 skin because it's just a skin, you know. Everything I'm doing, actually, I think it's pretty cool. Like, you wanna see my setup? I'll show you my setup. Remove this, open this, open this, open this. Yep. Hi guys. See, yep. We don't need this. Gameplay, Halo be just any game, auto detected. Here is it. Like I love this. If I'm doing any streams any soon, I will use this setup because it's very good. That's it guys. If you want me to do a full OBS tutorial, like this video and subscribe and tell me in the comments. That's the most important thing. And see you later guys.
Yay!